Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome to my outdoor kitchen. Let's take a look around. This was my 2016 spring and summer project. I couldn't be more excited with how it turned out. I'm a huge fan of the GenStone products. For the base, I used the Keystone Stacked Stone product line. The panels are very easy to work with from an installation perspective. I was able to complete the stonework in about 4 weekends. I begin with 9 Z corners, 6 full panels, and 2 half panels of the Keystone style. For the vast majority of cuts, I used a standard handsaw. All panels were attached using construction adhesive on the backs and screws through the positive shiplap edge. The DIY videos on the GenStone website were a huge help.